the people.
Oh, this is his sister.
In order to help in the real life, just stay lazy.
It is.
Hey Dayz, as you can see, we're in my cousin's house helping her pack some gift baskets. At the moment, I am currently wrapping bows using this piece of string. But yeah, today has been a productive day. First, my cousin's husband came and picked me up at my house. We went to my aunt's place to get her keys to go into my cousin's place to measure out some things because she's renovating. Then we went to pick up some Nutrilite products. Now we're here. I came and I opened up those boxes over there. I'll insert the clip after this.
I can smile, I can shine. Shaydays, Shaydays, Shaydays.
Many hours later.
So I just picked up some stuff and I'm carrying them inside. She's behind me. Well, not behind me, but you know, she's going to be behind me when I get this inside.
Found comfort in the way she laughs, the way she cries, and the way she lights up inside.
Oh. Got it? We got it. We got enough on. Fight for survival, Clone. Fight for survival. Here she is, folks. The woman who bought many things. I've been tying those bows that you saw me doing for most of the day. I came here at 2. The time is now 8 o'clock, and I would like to tell you that we finished wrapping bows, but I've only done like 60. Not even one per minute. Here we go. Yeah. And we'll part of the glass. Hopefully.
Some days you're gonna wanna smile, some days you're gonna wanna frown, but days like today, just know it's gonna be okay. Today, tomorrow, one day at a time. If I can smile, I can shine. Shaydays, Shaydays, Shayday. Oh, days of shelter in the rain is where I'll hide away. Found comfort in the way she laughs, the way she cries, and the way she lights up inside. Shayday, oh days.
This is the end result.
Some days you're gonna want.
Where is under it? Over here, so? Yeah, I doubt that. 2, 4, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 50.
Okay, let me not answer that.
Yeah, keep expectations to the minimum.
So I'll have somebody put on bow, somebody put on sticker, somebody just wrap the thing, somebody put on the final bow, somebody add the cards, and boom. Tell them to just get some chicken or cook up some.
want chicken.
Cook some chicken and things.
Is where I'll hide away. Found comfort in the way she laughs, tight.
Gracias.
Shayde.
These bones. Want a dog.
Want a people.
Oh gosh.
You take that one next. That's so fierce.
Get back to work! I said get back to work! Get back to work!
All these are wraps. Now over there, so to stuff and wrap. Time for
Some days you're gonna wanna frown, but days like today, just know it's gonna be okay. Today, tomorrow, one day at a time.
Miss Rabbit has fainted.
Smile, I can.
Jesus,
So much pressure. Why it's so loud? If you don't like my sound, you can turn it down. I'm gonna go.
Like that is one show you can rewatch.
What? I am a good girl. Yeah, that song give a boost bomb. Yeah. Won't let you rest. This is not a test.
Take off my socks. So it's on a second. Since we're going outside, I don't know nobody looking at my socks and be like, why are socks so dirty?
You're gonna wanna smile. Some days you're gonna wanna frown, but days like today.
Sat me there, I say, like, what the heck? We feel like, what were we doing all day? So it's 12:14 and it's morning, so it's Sunday.
Oh yeah.
Happy Mother's Day. Bobby is my life right now.
What, your company's name is Bobby?
Yeah.
I'm not judging.
Because when Bobby is wounded and unwell, I gotta spend money to take him to the tech medic.
Oh yeah, feel that.
This here, Jessica, oh, this is his sister. She bleeds me.
Found confidence in the way she lights up, the way she cries, and the way she lights up inside.
Wait. Oh, they're not a minibar. And then a minibar. They're tired on my feet to get some more bows to unwrap. I can't even reach the light bulb, yo. Let me use you guys for a second. And a big deal. So just looking at the bow section. Oh, look at my cousin's cool DIY setup. Made entirely out of cardboard, yo. Can you believe that? I kid you not, my cousin is a DIY queen. Nobody can convince me she is not. That size. Let me just. asked her if she wanted different clothing. So I'll come back for you guys. Alright, so let's go, folks. Let's go tell her that we got small green and small white. But I'm listening to like an audiobook while my phone charges. So if you weren't aware the last time, this is what you did. You reached up onto the wall, there's a light switch, and you flipped it. The inventor overdosed so much. Helping people is hard work, but knowing that someone else is struggling while you're relaxing is harder work because you're mentally stressing yourself over, oh, I could have helped them, but I didn't want to because I'm lazy. But in order to helping them, you're like, I should have stayed lazy. Maybe it's just me. You guys, so after 3 days I've showered and I'm going to head home as soon as I can to get out of my cousin's hair because we have officially finished here. I fell asleep on the last leg, but you know, it's the top that counts.